Good day, everyone, and welcome to this Study Affirmations How to Pass Your Exams meditation session, where I'm going to share with you the study affirmations that I used daily and personally when I was in university studying for my exams and wanting to pass in order to get my degree. I've personally used these affirmations. They have worked for me. They have done wonders. And if you use them in the same way that I've used them, trust me, they will work for you and you will pass your exams. So without wasting any more time, let us begin. In order for these affirmations to work, what I need you to do is repeat them. Repeat them when you are in the shower in the morning, in the shower in the evening. Repeat them before bed. Repeat them when you wake up. Repeat them whenever you get a chance. Consistently repeat them, say it with conviction, believe in what you are saying, and trust me, this will all work out perfectly for you. These affirmations will work. So as I begin now, I want you to close your eyes or keep them open if you want, but repeat these affirmations after me. I will pass my exams. I will not fail my exams. I will remember everything that I have studied. I will understand all of the work that I am studying. Everything that I have studied will come back to me during my exam. I will pass my exams even if I find them difficult. I will get my degree or whatever else it is that I am working towards. I will not fail and I will not have to repeat the exam. I will pass my exams because I will remember everything that I have studied. I will have all the answers to the questions when I'm writing my exam. I deserve to pass these exams. I will not fail. Thank you for taking the time to repeat these affirmations and to make an effort to change your mindset so that you too will pass your exams and get the results that you desire. Please remember that for maximum results and for this to work, you need to repeat these affirmations as often as you can. So please repeat them in the morning when you wake up, repeat them before bed at night or as often as you can, but please repeat these affirmations and believe in them when you say them. Good luck and all the best. You've got this.